Hello, first grade. This is Mrs. Ball with your science lesson for today. Let's go ahead and get started. Our standard is SC 1.8. Observe, predict, and describe patterns of the sun, moon, and stars as they appear in the sky. The sun and moon appearing to rise in one part of the sky, move across the sky, and set. Stars other than our sun being visible at night, but not during the day. All right, our essential question is, does the length of day and night time stay the same throughout the year or does it change? And why do the stars come out at night? We have an assignment and the title of it is Patterns in Space. Now, if this is too small, let me show you what you can do. Right here, you have a magnifying glass. It's underneath the insert button. So if I click on it, I have the ability to zoom in. See how it's gotten bigger? Click on it again and make it even bigger. And right here, I can control it. Okay, now down here, I have a note. If you need to zoom in, click on the magnifying glass under the word insert, which is what I just did. Zoom in, drag the pink circles to objects you see in the sky. Drag the red circle to things you do not normally see in the sky. If you notice, numbers 2 and 3 have already been completed for you. You simply have to identify the objects you see in the sky and cross out the pictures of the ones you do not normally see in the sky. So let's go ahead and go over number 2 and 3. The sun rises in the morning and sets in the evening. That's already been given for you. What time of night can you see the most stars? When it's darkest. Now, I'm going to zoom out just to help me out right here. I'm going to click off of that. See what I did? I was in zoom, but in order for me to grab this, I click off of the magnifying glass. All right, so I'm going to move it over so that way I can get my circle. Now you have 4 circles, 4 pink circles, and there are 4 red ones. So there are 4 things that you see in the sky and 4 things that you do not normally see in the sky. The first one, clouds. Okay, do you see clouds in the sky? Yes. So I'm going to take it, I'm going to drag it over to the clouds. All right, now those look like apples. Let me zoom in to see if those are apples. Yes, those are apples. Are they something that you usually see in the sky? No, they are not. Okay, so what I'm going to do, I'm going to click on the red one and it has like a little, like you have crossed it out. Okay, so you do the same for the other objects. You see if this is something that you would see in the sky. Okay, so let's go over the objects one more time, just so we're familiar with them. And remember what I'm doing in order to zoom in. I'm clicking on the magnifying glass. And when I want to use my circles, I click on the select or the pointer. All right, a car. Do you usually see a car in the sky? Stars. A tiger. This is the moon. Do you see the moon in the sky? All right. Do you see the planet Earth in the sky? Not in the universe or in the galaxy, but do you see it in the sky? Okay. And this is a picture of the sun. All right. So we have gone over our assignment. Remember, zoom is here. Select is here. There are 4 that will have pink circles and there are 4 that will have red. I'll see you next time. Thanks for joining me.